Welcome. Today, we'll be learning about the days of the week in French, or as they say, les jours de la semaine. In French, the days of the week are Monday, lundi, lundi, Tuesday, mardi, mardi, Wednesday, mercredi, mercredi, Thursday, jeudi, jeudi, Friday, vendredi, vendredi, Saturday, samedi, samedi, Sunday, dimanche, dimanche. Here are some example sentences. Aujourd'hui c'est lundi. Today is Monday. Demain, ce sera mardi. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Hier, c'était dimanche. Yesterday was Sunday. Now let's move on to the months of the year in French, or les mois de l'année. Now let's learn the 12 months of the year in French. January, janvier, janvier, February, février, février, March, mars, mars, April, avril, avril, May, mai, May, June, juin, juin, July, juillet, juillet, August, août, août, September, septembre, septembre, October, octobre, october, November, novembre, novembre, December, décembre, décembre. Nous sommes en janvier. We are in January. Mon anniversaire est en juillet. My birthday is in July. L'hiver commence en décembre. Winter starts in December. How to say the date in French, or as we say, comment dire la date en français. In French, the date is said in this order. Le followed by the day, the number, the month, and finally, the year. For example, today's date would be aujourd'hui, c'est le lundi 17 mars 2025. That translates to today is Monday, March 17th, 2025. If you want to say your birthday, you would say Mon anniversaire est le 5 juin 1998, which means my birthday is June 5th, 1998. And for booking a flight or an appointment, you might say Je voudrais réserver un billet pour le 10 octobre. That means I'd like to book a ticket for October 10th. Bravo! You've just learned the days of the week and months of the year in French. Keep practicing, and soon it will feel natural. Don't forget, subscribe to our channel, Smart Learning Foreign Language. Press the bell icon to get all our new lessons. Like and share this video with your friends. Check the description for the best French books and courses to help you learn faster. Merci et à bientôt. Au revoir.